Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can auto update your drivers in HP laptop or desktop PC. To get started, open your browser and search for HP Support Assistant. From the search results, head over to this web page. Now click on this option to download the tool. Once downloaded, right-click over the file and run it as administrator. Click on Next from here, accept the license agreement. Finally click on Install. Now once done installing, search for HP Support Assistant and run it. Now wait for the program to load. Now once the program loads, click on this option and click on Software and Drivers. Now wait for it to check for the updates, and it will represent you a list of all the drivers that needs to be updated. So you can simply download and install them from here. That's it. So following this method, you can keep your drivers of HP laptop or desktop in always top shape. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.